adentina mo ka se mo mpe fly over na mo pe community Gabby otchere darko say mo kwa ko ye say ye ti woni nyina mo ka
o se nana ya na edu baby a NPP for ya na epe ho asem
jare na mo ko pa chompo
ya na epe ho asem because wo be klasem we no bi ko kire mu a yes wo the party asem ko tan baby ka mo so mo ko fa asem ne ba wo ye na che baby o me na me MP asma kan mu se nya no kre enye no kre manko kasa mo mpe fly pa wo pe no kre pa mu tie NPP for mu tie ne mo amutie no ye caucus meeting of parliament and na Ken Ofori Atta bai asma hwe ni MPC aso enim ka che ne say ye fa roots in winning elections
Ken Ofori Atta ne ka
me abo achina me ka chiro friend bia no dem ho ka say Ken Ofori Atta me ka say chiro dem ho caucus meeting MPC organ fa na nyina hia parliament house Ken Ofori Atta bai o cho o say nye roots in the winning elections oh ese asem ne koda mo ne koda wo na yem bi de tiase de wo be kan nye no kra ba be kirem na die enti na yem paka na fo chew e die enti say edwane ahantan free hen sa dwane ahantan free hen obi sori nko line trouble ma wo so tumi hye wonsa na be wo be na tena ni so sa dwe kasa no mo kan ne ko kabia mo so obi kasa na boso obi ese na be nya abutsem na okay kan no ese wo kan nya abutsem na okay kan no ese wo okay kan nya abutsem na okay kan no ta be na ye ta parliament ono bo mokata ne be hia anya no correct rather ye ba Kumasi ha e na regional minister ni hia so obi an fa ne key road brana say me subi de me here key road bia it be kwale me ka say o subi de ya kwan ne ye be be dem kakra say ye ne be ye and also hand to be o here kwan because I don't know here subi point be win election ma MPP
yeah
it you got on so Kwabri for the next time Kwabri East be come
yeah
and don't put for being call but subi de okay because the Kwabri was not change subi and then they say can of them but the say say only Asante Bediatuo and they say communal routes at the entrance
honorable Eugene
baby I don't know I'm come on tomorrow maybe I'm the partner we do know umunya party my son and partner ye no mon come on to but once I can say about almost check for bufu and not to kwa koso pa between NAPO and no and yes about platform be so yes because as you didn't be yeah time yeah in that road so Kumasi region yeah time and a year Kumasi city side 10 consos yeah more juma yeah time in parliament I was the caucus secretary on no my push about Asante region no my push about Asante region nipa yes nipa kasewi na onidi yo sempa for kano baby edu no ese wo mo koma no to den party ma be kan se bia mankofo bu afu because yenya nkora wade we obi ani ho a otumi bia gina platform so kasa e cha Asante region MPs was a hana abano dodo na afri na mo be we na mo kwa mo de mo nkora mo nye party man mo ko kwane ko kape na mo sa de nam ene ye se party na be kan se ma nye no kora na metewa na mo be ka to me so e fa na mo kwata ni ehia yes, President Sunisha, another Nisha Jubilee House. I mean, still roots. Yes, I know it happened. Yes, but when they can't fly, when another so President Shano Saka Consul as man, when they can't fly, will be a tick or the fly over there.
Quite America.
I said, quiet, be a first one.
My man can fly over and do nyai.
Me say, hey, Sapa no, on can to
Gabby.
See, no, I hot in dinner. As I can, was really can't chat here for now. I don't mean as a son person. I mean, this morning you've done the Lord's work.
Yes.
And Sarah is OBI. We hanging and OBI to being tank. I say, we NDC in NPP was a set by the Akufo Addo president okay, and then Mahamadu Bawumia president the Walker. I said about Kwaku Annan Walker, which is very good. I think it's commendable. The NPP there, maybe a true. Any opposition party will be a free abembo oppositioner. Election win here will be a crowd will be a disca. Owusu will be a crowd will be a faway will be a disca will be a normal politics. But I think the level of indiscipline may witness when this MPP say me who be that.
As
oh yes, and yet
indiscipline abem.
Yes, I mean sometimes you go on air, you go on social media in the mornings, you know, many times we started causing them. And no my cafe
MPP more
yes, because MPP I can't say a persuadable for more be the MPP anymore. A kind of wait it here and never be the MPP anymore.
Right.
They're not looking for angels to come and lead the party. Bawumia, I say one home. Kennedy Agyapong asem on ho Brian Champion asem on ho Educhum asem on ho saa so na Kwabena Agyapong asem on ho obi asem on ho but the party they go say party ni okandifo it is adwuma no na isi abeto eso na abeso anopa na 15 cents of wine 100,000 cents of whey okay and then NPP ni bia wuti bia ntie ye en koda na ba adinim no koda no a mu de sumo kudi atempo ewurum de achie no ye ayi bi ye wo medals o obi we no inherit obi enemies for life obi atamfo kwa tanto kwa ya kubi ejai obi e no wa Akufo Addo che me ametia obi e no Asante mu ha ene Ghana fa na obi e no Akufo Addo esi akonkon che me ya boache baba we no you inherit his enemies for the rest of your life when you're careful that will be the end of you yes na eno nan cheso no asem bia no a me nya panyi ebitwum kasai bitie no oso wo bopa me ko di matemo ho na yeto aba ne wie na se wo bedi wo abaka chem se me kan ho na o de ko president esa se de ba bisimi che me na me no na ba bisimi se wo ma obonko fo paso mu ni matem 1979 BBC on my way
right
79 you have a conference no asma make a bia ya asma the late Owusu ka kire me ansa no wo may you so rest in perfect peace
right
also time wa akugana be toy no 69 e toy no sa ko so kwabena wono watena Kofi Abrefa Buzia de so no de odwane ko exile babuzia ko exile Buzia no yare for said oh sekla if you can come match na bia ko bewu that's what Buzia fled
okay
if you don't hold fort na don't go prison ya de time to stand on so Kwabena na wujina o se dey your party in pain for that na any die ho na obu ho
at that time
yes and Owusu wrote the then Legon Observer said once Buzia and pain will be on the not there uncontested and that's what paved the way for Buzia Edia go now no be to jina ya e be Gabby WotoWoto because Victor was then seen as the darling boy of the party ne because I lawyer so you know on the casa the parliament near the fine then 79 na ka Pauli nkwa and I said na do paso tiase but na Pauli na the mainstream naka the corner Pauli si onyina na o afanya me ti
ko ai pa
se William Ofori Atta
okay
into the ne bibia tai Victor Echi
okay
Victor wini we Kim and Asante Fobi free search there me mbodi en ha no kwa abehu omo ze da bi na back with the head of state da intina or connections kreska no se akwa we man president da bibia ha de free Asante na ko o me no ko shen crop se mo ni na na free in se mo ni na party mu se mo ni na na free
there's a UP asem na wo
yes you na ya Victor no asecheni no ono ani nu asechefo e ko fa pa uli bai and they know themselves on the Pauli bai just to scatter Victor's ambition Pauli so bai a prefer no muntimi omunyo obi no dey fa Pauli was also a cabinet minister why say Victor na ni Pauli bai it e ko to aba no NPP PFP final rally you go no check na himfie park na da ho no on e ko rally no and na PFP for to join adego no bi no mu join fita no the US college good ko because Pauli no ne ko ono an papa ahimfie animu say Pauli no say we jimi for sabi the two about the first round no there wasn't an outright winner. Let's say second round.
Mo prime minister
NPP I feel they reach that to eko. O say Pauli dey na e fa ju ato anko. Te suma nipa. Pauli an kan he so do tie. E be ka say Bosumi say na oje full page all the dailies at the time graphic Spectator Mirror tie oje ni na so US for ina ko to ma Liman. That's what constituted the presidency. You refuse and chronodos who did him to munim abakosem. It will not be contest. Now can some ya channel or can some ya channel pakigu. Abaya Akoto obi anim de be 31st January yeti be ye na obi a wini first obi so obi a wini na se kasaba na obi hwe no ma atwotwo afa ne ho a ana won krofo atwotwo afa ne ho a obi go go die se nkoko na nti mesre mi nua mo NPP for mesre after all this we have to unite.
I say unity. I say we work council work.
You see, it's a bia. We don't need my backosem no. We don't need and one out of emotions. And then pay for some so much. We ain't pay for no more. Yes, I need na. Oh my shock, man, was so pushing. Who said the good thing about this contest in 2023? Say, my share you many man transport to bia. If you no bia kasa. You mean someone else go na mini na. There's someone else moving na mini from pay for na church or sano mano. Mun pursue. Na no yeyi Bawumia Campaign o medina share former appointees eso wa bokro no Sammy abon ni akoyi Kennedy Agyapong so o medina chi we kronfo we say sankrofo ya na sabi papa wa o na ba di minister so na wa udi ka aka che wo opponent say Sammy abon
o kronfo
o ba ka che kronfo so abon well, time I can hear say be find X no. We chire station you as a casement. We chire mo Sammy abon say one tired the class we abon. O le nya adwo ana nya adwo abon de ne kasa. Kennedy Agyapong so nkrofo obi afroben former boss also the also boss gina ba e. Mu na mo se bo gina ba wo. That is for them to be o. O mo bo abo anu agu ho. Na o kire bi so mu ba kokonya na nkrofo bi be Ghana penya. Omo aso mo kan no Ghana for ebesate but mo na mo troy and some people for mo yes some of us we know them they should stop it
NPP for na bia na ehye
for matna cabinet mu MP mo di san semone no omu nyaye
nti say hu social media na young guy bi di atema eto bia na free panyi ho
yes because so dey way I go say ayache obi ya dem that dey we dey free na advance for obi na search we fi mo aso bodo scos mo so bi search yenya because see NPP stands a better chance of winning 2028 because John Mahama will not be a candidate almost on talk na be starting NDC but again the victory na we dey mu na ma ade ni nyina no edu ba bia na apemo. And what mean I'm the NPP for on this matter? Whoever emerges out of this contest, whoever party be trouble man must come and find a team, not a battlefield. Why be you be no? You have to be ready. The others have to be ready to work and support you to become president. You don't want to come and then one freeway and I win for and now power out now we say no. That's not what you do. I don't know what could take you a year and a half. Because we'll be above. We don't need it. And it's not about who leads this party. It's about the image the party presents to Ghana. A disciplined image, a matured image, and a visionary image. So nobody can win an election in this country. Obi win election be a president. But Abaya Betu will be a dear room. What I say, Abaya Kotu, nobody will get 100%. Obia they say nipa no onya any 1% rather na die wom 1% no a ba national election a huge who the 1% but the 1% a huge tika cry be can say akonya na ato NPP ni bia ho kwan so fa form so be gina bi emre so bia kwan yema omonko delegates now on the 12 and doors from 94%. Police station on the doors 94%. Yeah, what's record 2 billion 6%. If you electoral area coordinators, constituency, region, national, former MP, former 1 year, you have 6%. It will be on us one form and go turn us. Na party for no and go in the panel. Mesaka Sasuma near million MPs. Region, national, constituency. You're careful because you see, I didn't wait in a careful elections. Elections, they be winning national elections on my imo. A polling station for coordinators for MA, a friend is saying MA constituency executives.
Right.
I'm gonna do that. And pursue no with no power, not the candidate. But I'm going to be winning power, man. Kennedy Agyapong going to be winning power. Abraham Champong, Dr. Duchum, Kwabena Agyapong, no going to be here. And until the party is synchrophone, maybe and could be nice. No, it would mean some follow me. Me say top down or bottom up, the central or the pivot. Executive, police station 4.
Yeah.
They said, well, Ghana. People forget. Oh, we are so sometimes myopic in our thinking. Ghana, you have about 90,000 settlements. 90,000. Rollins a crowd town my for 19 years now. You may be able to be quiet. What I say? Yeah. If you get MPP, Federal MPP. Last election, Dr. Bawumia was a candidate. Dr. Bawumia 230 so but how many hours to deal constituency there? They say you manage soon. In two big jaho. Ujawa is sick constituency executives in Naso. Na Akoko coordinators in Naso, na Akoko police station Naso. Only you want to call from. They are the heartbeat of our party. They carry us to victory. It's a choir, I see a pesika, any training man or monum to the year Jumano. And I say, Asudi. And yet, make Gabby actually win, I make Gabby actually win, and none about any to me. Oh, now, obey General Secretary. They say, Obebano na in Chichimuho. Obebano na Nyomanche. Dear now, bet me aye. Number one, pretty straightforward. Number one, we have to strengthen our structures. Okay. Number one, your membership database. Cause for concern. Remember how. Your fundraising. Musika J. Number 2. And the other one, how to deal with the training of police station, a form for the police station constituency. Database, NPP, 33 years in it. NPP, you need membership database. Do I member? Do I member? Yes. I don't want to delegates at normal. They are not made up. I mean, there are other members. So I think amendments require and car. Maybe this should be. As we speak, there were 3 living former members of Parliament to be. I think they are more to be. And there are so many others on one system no more. Why maybe a former police station, former ways. I go for have to be roped in. You know, but I'm just saying it's something that we must do before January 2028. Right. Because we need election democracy is about numbers, a numbers game. So we need to bring all the former people on board. Now to be a card member, remember, so I must say, he started membership. You know, almost say 2009. Omoka say, okay, yeah, infiltration, and this will be room. Okay, 80 year 5 no, but in taking intermediate steps. These were the words of Dr. Jimmy Heyman, who was the Professor Okwe that time. 16 years in 3 years. Now no cry even you pay Kwabena Agyapong the but proposal about say okay, see a new moment wa fine, granted. But yema former in kind of fooding enough from police station up no, omina if I know starting block. Now I feel police station man on actually say police station for the check recruit nipa. But be na chairman be so to the baby na coordinate be to the so become MPP new. Na medal register. Or me register no. I say that's how you get the members because Oma be see party new munim no so. No the Omaba. So you is going to be the referee. Because I'm thinking maybe a Subin yetuma na munya say. Subin me ko Subin menya under 40,000 da. And here the infant say 50,000 poor. What 40,000? 40,000. There were about 5,000 committed people to human members over 12. So that's where my challenge because you see, I'm not near interest. Because I then be a 40,000 MPP for na yentimi nya omu committed say be a 5,000 be a omu contribute to omu work hard. Na de be no mu twe for meanwhile so e bi kra na komu per particular candidate na akwa problem. Eti eno ho na mame eno ma me no a me pesa pesa de ka ho ye. There was a corner back to right. On party, you were back of some brave. Right. But you see, for some reason, no, you keep records. Your record keeping. They back with the no more course in the 50s, of course in the 60s, of course in the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, and so on. 1954, 22nd July, JB Dankwa. Actual letter, a former party in the General Secretary. That's why Ghana Congress Party. They did Buzia, a parliament. Right. Yes, you guys. They friend no Sakishek. Okay. JB Dankwa was much. I'll call JB Dankwa or say, I have never believed that we can build our party's financial position on the basis of compulsory levy on the few. That was 1954. How many years? Over 70 years.
Senipaka Krebi ne was the Biamun Meska.
And why that's woman? Now, no, you say, you're too about your Owusu. You just came to our office. 2 months before you just came to our office, or more office, you just came to our office. Social media. Last 2 weeks ago, I say, can you cry? I hope a party of the West here. It's all because we are trying to levy a few people. But meanwhile, your members are no be a trade deals 1 city, maybe 2 million members, Krana, or Mayimua, 2 million Ghana cedis every month. Yaba power. Your intimate constituency be investments, okay, winning. Constituency be as say, they be able Muscano. If you be able to treasure bill for say 1 million Ghana cedis. A constituency, your chairman there, and your secretary there, and your organizer there, a constituency there, and the constituency account to me. Any bank, more BBI is big commercial bank. Yama bank BI, general secretary, I'm a chairman, general secretary committee. I'm a bank BI instructions. Says Sikano, interesting one political party account. Can you fixed and now? I didn't will be a constituency chairman, and I will be a constituency secretary, and I treasurer, and I BBI. There be a year back, so no please count about. You Majumano. Majuma say a resource woman. Ye pesca, partly pesca. Edema womu now year wojuma. It is all year. I ain't question as every month and every 3 months. We are 35,000 our account to one. Oh, there was 1 million. Now we are 13.5 krana. Yeah, we have 35,000. And our account to one. There be a scout constituency of the Rwanda constituency. Sekabe ko be here fuela. You can get that. Yeah, what's wrong? Yeah, let's see a dream on form by trying to mobilize money for them. What I say?
Yeah.
Now we obi Kobre be the chairman. And we could be the secretary. What's our catch and say when they are able to do Asante Bediatuo. If you Sunday could see Monday, they be out one food now call 1 week and now Kwepa. Says Calabo Free. And then this star should be like chairman for the consul executive sponsor. Into the party, no, about power. 8 years. As a Cassian Yeko, it's a consultancy be at least on the financial independence. National party, regional party. That's as canon, at least every 3 months be ano. And the Bosa one of Mobako be doom say 3 months about Bakutria. The side of my way. I did say side of my way. A question she say because we cannot build Gabby Dan Pasmo Cano 1954 no. And one of course no. Will there be a targeting of Phobis? Oh, Yeko, but you see, me part of no get free. What was that? You have a go to not to be a power winner or chip pushing or Kwabena. So my man is going to push them on.
Yeah.
What do I say? And I feel so. You who said, you probably breathe back. Ya Bemwa, you anymore. Me quite a member of the audit committee. Many Akufo Addo Annan Ghana from 2007. Obi anyone or party near all region I'm calling me. As we call chairman of that committee. No, Nipa about no only about 30%, 70% minimum. Yes. And I'm very good with faces and names. Let me know. I didn't catch it because they were not members. I didn't know about you. A bit more Mahamadu when you made Minerals Commission. I so when you need I feel that warrior sign. Ghana follow that's what you. Yes, because you need to be a track of members as well when you're members. And if you don't have a membership database, it's also members in it. You might buy the more. I don't benefit it. You grow because someone from the Bioma Bressa.
Right.
It you have to create a database. Nipa baby will be no Ghana baby will be no constituency of Ghana. It will link you to a constituency.
Right.
Constituency chairman name. Say we mun na London and almost England. Ye Pisca, e be from Mabuai. If I ha me hu post ba na ye chere mbagibia. Obi anim say Sankofo die omboa party.
Now oba any say so oba any say.
It's straightforward. And then I did this of say we have to introduce digitalization into our setup.
Yeah.
And say the panel register NPP card. And they say with the advent of Ghana card, they say be more virtually Ghana be a Ghana card. And our matter says 6 to 14 years come start to register this month. Yeah, you do Ghana card. Ghana card on the next home. So the Ghana card number now must be their membership number. Maybe or TBR only Ghana card crana. Ghana for do one I so be able to say do Ghana card, you can't do anything. Ghana for me never beg Ghana card. Mimi to in the last 1 year, many people over 100 beg Ghana cards. Well, that you can't do anything. Would be your sim, would be your account, would be here Ghana card, Ghana card, to register. Maybe I will be all we need to know is me using Boakye me to about Subin polling station 107A. Boakye Memorial Temporary Booth. On a Metuaba. Into a constituency. If you then have to then know it's a pretty list of members in Ghana. Subin executives members are Wabuchi. Well, party no a capture some information on crime.
Right.
It's a matter of just either sending electronically or print the hard copies for them. Sankrofo I do about 2 biana, we involve them. Because then the chest of the members.
All right.
Others will be a member and about 2 here that is the thing to do with the membership database.
Okay.
To fundraising, sorry.
Right.
Any big database is my cutting in album.
Yeah.
Then the next thing is discipline.
Discipline, Now, between just a quick one, 30 seconds be. I didn't think na moka someone pe fly over. Na mo pe community. Gabby WotoWoto say mo kwa ye say ye to oni nyina mo moka.
Oh say nana. Ya na edu baby a. NPP for ya na pe ho asem.
Jare na mo ko pa chompo.
Ya na pe ho asem. Because wo be classem we no bi ko kire mu a. Yes, wo the party asem ko tran baby ka. Mo so mo fa asem ne ba wo. Ye na che baby o. Me na me MP. Asma kan mu se ngeno kore.
Enye no kore.
Enye no kore.
Manko kasa mo pe fly.
Wo pe no kore pa mu NPP for mu tie ne mu tie no. Ye caucus meeting of parliament. And na Ken Ofori Atta bai. Asma hwe ni MPC aso enim ka che ni say ye fa roots in winning elections.
Ken Ofori Atta ne ka
me abo achina me ka che friend bia na odem ho ka say Ken Ofori Atta me ka say che odem ho a caucus meeting MPC o Ghana fa na nyina hia parliament house Ken Ofori Atta bai o te ho o say nye roots in the winning elections.
Hey
oh e say asem ne koda mo ne koda wo na yem bi de tiase de wo be kan nye no kura ba be kirem na de enti na yem paka na fo chew e de enti fi say edwane ahantan free hen sa dwane ahantan free hen obi so nko sa line trouble ma so tumi hye nsa na wo be na tena ni so sa dwe kasa no mo kan ne ko kabia mo so obi kasa na boso obi ese na nya abutsem na okay ka no ese wo kan nya abutsem na okay ka no ese wo okay ka no nya abutsem na okay ka no ta bena ye ta parliament ono bo makata ne be hia anya no kre rather ye ba kumase ha e na regional minister ni hia so obi an fa ne key road bra na se me subi de mi hia key road bia it be kwa dem ka se o subi de ya kwa ne ye be be dem ka kre se ye ne be ye and also to obi o hia kwa because I don't know here subi point me win election ma MPP
yeah
educator na so Kwabri for ne kasa na tan Kwabri East be krum
yeah
and no po fa bi nko but subi de okay the Kwabri was not chasing me. And then they say, can them, but I say, only Asante PCI, and they say communal roots. At the end,
Honorable Eugene,
maybe I do know. I'm come on tomorrow. Maybe I'm the partner, we do know. Umuya party, my son, and partner. No one come on to me. Well, because I said about almost check for and not to quite between NAPO and no, and yes, about platform. Yes, because I see him the yeah, time in that rules for Asante region. Yeah, time in a year from city, South Ten Consul, yeah, more Juma. Yeah, time in parliament. I was the caucus secretary. Or no, my push about Asante region. No, my push about Asante region. Nipa, yes, Nipa Casavina, on the sample for Cano. Baby, I don't know, it's so warm, common to the year party. My back can say be a monk of football because you're not what I deal with. Obia de wa otumi be regional platform kasa e cha Asante region MPs was a hana abano dodo na free na mo be we na mo kwa mo de mo kono mo nye party man mo ko kwane ko kape na mo sa de nam ene ye say party na o be kan se manye no kro na mete wa na mo be ka to me so e fa na mo kwata ni ehia yes president so ni ehia na do ni ehia Jubilee House e me still roots yes I know it happened yes but when the car fly when na so president share no so ka consult as man when o ka fly obi o take kwado the fly over there
kwan na beka
say kwan bia di pa so a
ba man ka say fly over do nyai
me say hwe sa papa no ho on kana no ntumo
Gabby
me na me mo bia sa papa no so on kana no ntumo
mate
yo
Honorable Eugene Boakye Entry former member of parliament Subin and general secretary hopeful for the NPP courage discipline integrity.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.